Okay, that's all right. So let's look at it. So these are all about the mixed fractions, the the mixed fractions, the proper fractions, the improper fractions, and so on. Okay. So this is actually very, very easy to do. Do you get me? So today, now we'll be looking at how to fractions together. Okay. So we'll look at addition, addition of fractions. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Okay. Whenever you're trying to add fractions together, all you need to do is to check the two fractions you're trying to add to know whether they have the same denominators. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. So if they have the same denominators, all you need to do in that type of fraction is just to add the numerators and keep that denominator the same. Let me tell you what we mean. Let's say you have 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Okay? What do you observe? You observe that you have 7 as the denominator and 7 also as the denominator, right? Yeah? I can hear you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, if the denominators are the same, you see this denominator is the same, 7 and 7, right? Right? So all you need to do is just to keep that denominator the same and do the addition in the numerator. Are you getting it? So you have to do 2 plus 3. Okay? I added the numerators because the denominator is the same. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer becomes 5 over 7. Do you understand it now? Okay. So whenever you are adding fractions, two or more fractions together, just look at their denominators. Whenever their denominators are the same, all you need to do is just to add the numerator. Okay? Okay? Good. Let's take another example. Let's say we have 4 over 11 plus 5 over 11. If I look at this now, what do I observe? I observe that the two denominators are the same. What is the denominator? What's the denominator here? Which number is that? 11. Good. So since they have common denominator, I should keep it the same. Are you seeing it now? Okay. Once the denominators are the same, so where am I going to add? Okay, I add 4 and 5 because they are the numerators. Yeah, when you have 4 and 5, what are you getting? 4 plus 5 is what? You are getting 9. So the answer becomes 9 over 11. Okay, please write it and let me know, okay? Write it and let me know, okay? Okay, the answer becomes 9 out of 11. Do you get me? Yeah, it's easy to do. Just remember that whenever you're adding fractions together and the numerators are the same and the denominators are the same, you just have to add the numerators. Okay? That's the easiest way or easiest method of adding 2 or more fractions together. Okay? Do you hear me? Yeah. So for you to add 2 or more fractions together, the denominators must be the same. Once the denominators are the same, you just have to do what? Add their numerators. That's the easiest method of adding 2 fractions together. Okay? Are you done writing, please? So adding fractions and subtracting them, once you know this trick, it will be easy, or this method, it will be easy for you to do it. Okay? Okay. Okay. So this is the easiest method of adding fractions together. So let's look at how, okay, let's do my example here. Let's look at something like 4 over 21 plus 11 over 21. Okay? If you look at this, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, good. If you look at this, you see that the denominators are the same, 21 and 21, right? Yes. Okay. So all you need to do is to keep the denominator the same. You have your 21. Then for you to add them, you just have to add the numbers at the top. What are the numbers at the top? 4 and 11. So you have it as 4 plus 11. What is 4 plus 11? 4 plus 11 is 15. So you have 15 over 21. Yeah, this becomes the answer. We can actually reduce this to its lowest term, but we are going to accept this answer now. Okay, when I teach you how to reduce to its lowest term, you have to apply it here. Okay? Okay? Okay, good. So, yeah, we'll look at the next one. Let's say we have something like 10 over 23 plus 4 over 23. What do you observe? What do you observe? You notice that the denominators are what? The same, right? So once the denominators are the same, you just have to add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. Okay? So what's 4 plus 10? 14. So you have it as 14 over 23. And that becomes the answer. Okay? Okay, so write it and let me know. So that's the easiest method of adding fractions together. To add fractions of any type together, and you observe that the denominators are the same. Whenever the denominators are the same, all you need to do is just to add the numerators. If you add the numerators, you have to keep the denominator constant. The denominator have to be what? Constant. That's the easiest method or easiest way of adding fractions together. To add fractions together, as I told you, is that we notice that the denominators are the same. So to add it, we are going to add the numerator and keep the denominator what? Constant. Add the numerators and keep the denominators constant. Okay? So that's the simple way of adding two fractions together. Have you copied it? Huh? Hello? I said, have you copied this? Okay, you should be fast, okay? You should be fast. So adding fractions will not be something that will give you problem, because that's very easy to do. Just observe the fractions. Are the denominators the same? If yes, all you need to do is to do what? All you need to do is to do what? Add their numerators. That gives you the answer. Okay? Do you understand me? Okay, you're done. This one you're stretching yourself. Are you just waking up? Okay, that's all right. So let's look at, what if we are trying to add fractions together and we notice that that particular fraction we are looking at doesn't have the same denominators or numerators. What are we going to do? Let me look at it now. Let's say you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Okay? These are two fractions. When we looked at it, what do you observe? The two denominators are two different numbers, right? Yes. Okay. Once you notice that these two denominators are two different numbers, we make use of the butterfly method of adding fraction. Okay? It suggests, let me try to draw butterfly for the first method, and we do it without the butterfly for the second method. You see this now? These two tails are telling you what? Multiply these two denominators to get a new one. Okay? 2 times 3 is what? 6. So you have 6. So the next one is to multiply these two diagonals. 3 times 1, starting from the left. 3 times 1 is what? 3 times 1 is what? 3, correct? 3 plus, then multiply diagonally again. 2 times 1 is what? What is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2. Good. So add 2 and 3 together, the new numerators now. 2 plus 3 is what? 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer becomes 5 out of 6. Do you understand? Yeah. Okay. That's the answer? Okay. There is also another method that let's work it with another method. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Okay? So in this new method, do you have the knowledge of lowest common multiple, LCM? Do you know how to do that? Yeah. Okay. So what's the LCM of 2 and 3? 1. Now, that means you don't have the knowledge of LCM. Let me remove it so that I won't confuse you. That should be another topic, okay? Okay? But I told you to tell me the LCM of 2 and 3. You told me 1. So telling me 1, that means you don't know how to do that. So teaching the two topics at the same time will be a problem. So let's concentrate on this method. Okay? Okay, good. So let's look at the next one. We have 2 over 5 plus 3 over 7. Wow. Let's add this two. What do you understand first? They have different numerators, right? Do these have the same denominator? Do this fraction, yes or no? Do this fraction have the same denominator? Do this fraction have the same denominator? Yes or no? No. Okay, no. So what do we do? Using the method, it tells us to do what at the denominator? Look at the board. The method tells us to do what at the denominator? Okay, if you multiply 5 by 3, what do you get? 5 times 3 is what? What is 5 times 3? 5 times 3 is what? What is 5 times 3? 5 times 3 is what? 15, correct. So you have it as what? 15, right? So you have it, the next one again is 2 times what? 7. So what's 2 times 7? 2 times 7 is? No, 5 times 3 is 35. Not 15, please. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 3 times 5 is what? What is 3 times 5? 3 times 5. What is 3 times 5? 3 times 5 is what? 15. Correct. 3 times 5 is 15. Good. So what is 14 plus 15? 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 14 plus 15 is what? 29. So 29. So the answer is 29 over 35. If you get it right, say yes. If you get it right, say yes. If you get it right, say yes. Do you get it right? Yes. Good. Okay. If you're a footballer, I'm supposed to say Ronaldo celebration. Sue. Are you a Ronaldo fan or Messi? Huh? Oh, I'm a Ronaldo fan, right? That's why you see this. Huh? I'm a Ronaldo fan. Okay, you don't like him? Oh, maybe we are in the same wing. So you can write it so that we can take more examples, okay? Okay, ask your question if you have any. Ask your question if you have any. Falcon Eagles. Messi is the goat. No. Messi is not the goat. Ronaldo. Ronaldo should be. Ronaldo should be. So, okay. You are Messi, right? Okay, let's accept Messi for today. Okay, no problem then. So, do you get the answer? If you get the answer, you should let me know. If you get the answer correctly, you should let me know. To add fractions are very, very easy to do. It's very easy. All you need to do is to check the denominator. Whenever the denominator are different, all you have to do is to multiply any given denominator you have. After the multiplication of the denominator, that serves as the current denominator. Then multiply diagonally. 2 times 7, which is the denominator, is 14. Then multiply the other way around. 3 times 5 is 15. Then to add, you add the new denominator. Since you are doing addition, you add the new denominator. 14 plus 15. 14 plus 15 is what? 29. And the answer becomes 29 over 35. Okay? The answer becomes 29 over 35. Okay, you're done, right? Do you like the class? Yes. Oh, okay. I thought you said no because of Messi, Ronaldo. Okay, let's look at the next one. We look at 2 over 9 plus 4 over 7. Here we are trying to do 2 over 9 plus 4 over 7. What do you observe? The denominators are what? Different. So what should I do to get the denominator, the new denominator? Okay, 9 times 7 is what? 9 times 7 is what? 9 times 7. I hope you are not looking at the multiplication table. Are you? Okay, that's right. Then we'll multiply diagonally. 2 times 7 is what? 2 times 7 is 14. Then since we are adding, we put the addition sign. 2 times 9 is what? 2 times 9 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. I am wrong here. So what do? 4 plus 6 is what? 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So the answer becomes 50 over 63. And that's the solution. Okay? Do you get that right? Let's know. Do you get that right? Do you get the method right? Okay, good. So let's look at the next one. Let's look at 7 over 11 plus half. Okay? 7 over 11 plus half. So for you to add this together, it is very tricky in the beginning. Okay? All you need to do here to add these fractions together is just to do what? Multiply the two denominators. If you multiply the two, 11 times 2 is what? 11 times 2 is 22. Multiply diagonally. 2 times 7 is what? 14. Good. Plus 1 times 11 is what? 11. So 14 plus 11 is what? So you have it as 25 over 22, and that's the answer. Okay, since we haven't learned how to convert mixed improper fraction to mixed, let's accept this answer for now. Okay? Okay, messy boy. Okay? Okay? He's laughing. Okay, you should write it and let me know. Okay? If you have any problem, let us know. Let us know if you have any problem. Let us know. Let us know if you have any problem. My screen is not clear. How? Maybe the internet. Boy, is my screen clear? Can you see it very well? Okay, why is it not clear? So this is actually still blurry. Let me clean up. I don't know why. Is it better now? Okay. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll fix it soon. I'll fix it soon. I'll fix it soon. Yeah, I'll fix it soon. I don't know why. It keeps on dropping a bit. But it's fine. But you're understanding what I'm teaching, right? Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you. So thank you. A thumbs up will be bad. A thumbs up will be bad. A thumbs up won't be bad. Okay, so this is how we add fractions. Okay. This is how we add two fractions together, though. It's very, very easy to do. It's very, very easy to do. Are you done? Yeah. Okay, that's all right. So you see that for you to add fractions together, you just need to know a simple trick, okay? Maybe in our subsequent time, I'm going to teach you how to do that when you have different denominators, okay? When you are using a different method, when I talk about the different method, I'm talking about the LCM method, okay? Okay, in the LCM method, you need to find the LCM, divide with the denominator, and so on, okay? So it's very, very easy, just like this butterfly here. This particular method we looked at is called the butterfly method. I believe you can see that in your screen, right? Hello? Yes. Okay. It's very, very okay, so that's it. That's how we actually okay, so that's it. That's how we actually do the addition. Okay. Do you have any question for me? Okay, so thank you so much for this class. Please call your brother to connect. Okay. Guys on the live stream, thank you for showing up. Why are you dropping? I had 20 before. Why is there only 6 people here? Thank you. We are going to go to the next class. Hope you learned something today. I'm waiting for the next kid to connect. Actually, I'm actually teaching privately now. I'm teaching a UK-based kid. I'm teaching the boy mathematics. His 1 hour is gone. His 1 hour is gone. So I'm starting up again. I'm waiting for the brother to actually connect. Actually, now I'm teaching a UK kid. I'm waiting for the brother. It's just a 1 hour class. I'm done with the brother. I'm waiting for the next person to join. So how do you see the method? How do you see the class, how it went? Is it that good? Do you like the class? It's not clear. Why is it not clear? I don't know why. Screen is not clear. Why is it not clear? I don't know. Maybe I should I end it and start up again? Okay. Yeah, good afternoon. Please open your camera. Your camera is locked. Turn it on, please. Okay. Once you are done turning it on, please let me know. Okay. Okay, it's okay now. Okay, maybe the internet is fluctuating. We don't have power supply enough. I should have used my router. Okay, okay. You're back now? How are you? How are you doing? Huh? Okay, you are doing great. Okay, that's good. What's your name, please? Okay, that's all right. So today we'll be having a class and it's mathematics. Please, what's your grade? Pardon? Okay. What's the last topic you learned in math? Oh, okay. That's all right. That's not a problem. So, you said your year is what? Year what? Pardon? Primary? Okay. Okay, that's all right. Okay, you're in a high school. Okay, no problem. So, you are the elder to your last brother that we just ended the class, right? Okay, that's all right. So, today is our maths class. We'll be looking at simple equation. Okay? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, so what do we mean? Okay. What do we mean by the term simple equation? What do we mean by the term simple equation? Okay. What do we mean by the term simple equation? Okay. Whenever you hear the term simple equation, for instance, we are talking about a mathematical statement that says that two things are equal. That's the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation are what? The same. Okay? To solve simple equation, we use a lot of approaches to solve that, such as balance method or collection of like terms. Okay? So in today's class, we are going to start with solving simple equation by collection of like terms. Let's move on. Let's say you have 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. For instance, you are told to find the exact value of x. When you are trying to solve for x, all you are expected to do is to find the exact number. Okay, you want to say something? Okay. Okay. You are trying to find the exact number that if you put in here, okay, that and multiply it by 2 and add 5 is going to give the output must give you what? 11. Okay? So to do that, you see that we are actually looking for x, and we have 5 that is added to what? X. Okay? Okay. So what do? You subtract 5 from both sides. Okay? So we have it that 2x plus 5, you have to take away 5, and that's equals to 11 take away 5. The reason why you're subtracting 5 from both sides is just to collect like terms. Okay? Okay, so if you subtract 5, you are left with 2x is now equal to, since 5 minus 5 is 0, no need of writing it, and that's equals to 11 minus 5. What is 11 minus 5? What is 11 minus 5 is what? What is 11 minus 5? 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 You said? What's 11 minus 5? Okay, I'm changing a new router. I'll change a new router maybe tomorrow. What is 11 minus 5? Huh? Okay, the answer is 6, right? That's good. So the next thing you do to get the value of x is just to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2, and divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So when you divide both sides by 2, you see that x is equals to 3. Okay? So x is what? 3. Do you understand? Okay, good. So let's look at the next one. We have like 5x minus 1 is equals to 24. Okay? We are told that when you multiply a certain number by 5 and subtract 1 from the number, the output must be 24. So for us to get the number, we'll first of all look at here. This is minus 1, right? Yeah, we can say crosses over to the other side of the equation to change the sign, or we say add or subtract the number. Okay? Which one are you familiar with? This method or crossing over? Oh, okay, good. So let's use the one you're x is equals to 24. When minus 1 crosses over to the other side of the equation, it becomes plus, right? So you have to add 1. Okay? Okay. So if you add 1, you're having 5x is equal to 24 plus 1 is 25, right? Okay. For you to get the value of x, we are told here 5 lots of x is giving us 25. What can we get to be the value of x? So we have to divide it by 5. So if you divide here by 5, you also have to divide here by 5. Okay? So if you do the division by 5, you see that x is equal to 5. So x is actually 5. Okay? Okay? So write it and let me know. So x is actually 5. X is actually 5. So this is the method of solving simple linear equation. Okay. This is the simple method of solving simple linear equation. It's very, very easy to do. Once you are doing it, is you are going to master how to solve any simple linear equation in a bit. It's very easy. It's very easy. It's very, very, very easy to do. Very as easy as ABC to do. Okay. Okay, please, this is not a Chinese class as you suggested. Actually, I'm in Nigeria. Nigeria is in West Africa. I'm in Nigeria, West Africa. So let us know where you are watching from. Actually, I'm in Nigeria, West Africa. Let's know where you're watching from. Let's know where you're watching from. Okay. Have you copied it? Oh, okay. Show me what you wrote, please. Okay, that's fine. Let's try another example, okay? let's look at 3x plus 2 is equals to 11, for instance. Okay? At this point, look at the board, please. At this point, we have 3 lots of x plus 2 is equals to 11. Can you try it? Can you try it? Okay, try it and let me know. Okay, guys, I want you guys to solve this and let me know the answer in the comments. Solve this, let me know the answer in the comment. Let's know the fast finger between the kid I'm teaching and you. Solve it, let's know the answer in the comments. Solve it, let's know the answer in the comments. If you are still here and you're still concentrated, say hi. Say hi, tell us where you're watching from. Say hi, tell us where you're watching from. So this is a very, very easy method of solving simple linear equation. Okay, it's very, very easy to do. Very easy. All you need to do is just to apply the method of solving method. Here you have to let number cross the equality sign by doing what? Subtracting 6 from both sides. Okay, that's the method we used. Okay, together first. Let's try it. So if you have this, okay, you're not done, right? Okay, try it then and let me know. Let me get some water. It's very okay. You're done now. You are done now. Okay. This guy, your name is one offensive guy. You got 3. Okay, let's check it then. Let's check whether you're right. Please tell us where you're watching from, please. Okay, that's all right. So let's check. What do you get as the answer, please? Okay, 3. Let's check whether it's right then. You have it that 3x plus 2. Okay, we can set 2 crossing the equality sign. When 2 crosses the equality sign, what does it become? It becomes negative because it's positive. Yeah. That means you have 3x is equals to 11 minus 2 is what? 11 minus 2 is 9. So the next thing we do is to divide through by 3 and divide by 3. If you divide through by 3, x is equals to 3. So correct. You got the answer right. So clap for yourself, please. That's great. You got the answer right. So x is 3. So let's look at the next. Since you've understood how to solve this type of problem where we have one variable, so in our next method now, we are going to look at when the variables are on both sides of the equation. Okay? Okay, do you hear me? Okay, so let's look at when the variables are on both sides of the equation. The first example looks like this. 2x minus 1 is equals to 3x minus 2. This is clearly a simple equation where we have the variables on both sides of the equation. Okay? Okay, so for you to solve this is very, very easy. So you have solution. So you have it that 2x, you say you like crossing equality sign. So here we are going to add 1 here, right? So we now say is equals to 3x minus 2 plus 1. Okay? So we have it that 2x is equals to 3x minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 2 plus 1. This is how we do it. This is minus 2 minus and we are adding 1. So minus and this will plus and 1 plus and minus will go. You are left with only single minus. So the answer is -1. Okay. So the next one is crossing equality sign again. 3x will cross to meet 2x, right? So here we will say that we subtract 3x from both sides, okay? So we say 2x minus 3x is equals to -1, which is left here. So what's the value? Minus 2x minus 3x is what? What's the value? Minus 2x minus 3x is what? What's the value? Minus 2x minus 3x is what? What's the value? What's the value of minus 2x minus 3x? What's the value of 2x minus 3x? You have it as, you have 2. Let's just do it like a baby. 1, 2. You have 3. You have 1, 2, 3. So this is 0. This is 0. You are left with minus, right? So since you are left with minus, it becomes minus x is equals to -1. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. So the next one is to divide by -1 and divide by -1. Once you divide by -1, the minus will be out. So you have it that x, the minus here will be out, is equals to 1. So x will only be 1 here. Okay? So write it in your book and let me know. Please, guys, do well to share the live. Do well to share the live. Comment your thoughts about the method. Do well to share the live. Comment your thoughts about the method. Is it really hard? Is it easy to do? Comment your thought about the method. Do well to share the live, please. Support me by sharing. Support me by sharing. I should repeat. Oh, what do you want me to repeat, please? What do you want me to repeat? Or should I just solve another problem? What do you want me to repeat? Or should I just solve another problem? Okay, I should say hi, 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 hi. Ferreji Officials, hi. How are you doing? Ferreji, how are you doing? Where are you watching from? Let us know in the comments. How are you doing? Where are you watching from? How are you doing? Where are you watching from? How are you doing? Where are you watching from? Please, Ferreji, please share the live video. Share the live video, please. Support us. Support us by sharing the live. Okay. So this is how we solve simple equations. Okay. This is a very easy way. This is a very okay. Are you done writing? Okay, good. Let's look at the next problem on our list. Let's look at the next problem on our list. The next problem on our list is 2x plus 15 is equals to 3x plus 10. Okay? That's the next problem on our list. Here we are trying to find the value that will put in x to satisfy both the left and the right hand side of the given equation. Okay? So for us to do that, we first start with the number. This is plus 15, right? So we are trying to get rid of plus 15. Are you getting me? So what do? We have 2x is now equal to, since it's plus, it's crossing the equality, right? It becomes a minus, right? So we have 3x plus 10, then minus 15. Do you get it now? So you have it that 2x is equals to 3x. 10 minus 15 is what? 10 minus 15 is minus 5. Okay? You have 10 apple and you are taking away 15 apple. You'll be owing the person 5. Okay? Yeah. So you have it that 2x. Once 3x is crossing the equality sign, what do you get? Once 3x is crossing the equality sign, what does it become? You have it as minus 3x minus 5. Okay? So minus 2x minus 3x is what? You have it as minus x. And that's equals to minus 5. Okay? Okay, so now you divide by minus 1 and divide by minus 1. So you see that x is equals to 5. Do you get me? Okay, I want you to write it and let me know. Are you following? Do you understand the class? Okay, x is 5. Yeah, you are good. You are good. You are good. Saying that, what's the name? Okay. Okay, you are doing well, Ferigi. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for saying that. Sadiharet S. You said that x is 5. You're right. At least I've solved it and showed that. Okay? Okay, you can share the live to your people. Like the video, comment your thoughts, like the video, comment your thoughts, like the video, please. Comment your thoughts, please. Thank you for the support. How do you see? Is the internet still disturbing? Is the internet still disturbing, guys? Let me know. I'm trying to fix it. Is the internet still disturbing? Is the internet still disturbing? Is the internet still disturbing? Okay, that's the easy way to solve simple equations, okay? It's very, very easy to do. It's very, very easy to do. Okay? So solving simple equation is just finding the value of the unknown. And the unknown is usually x, okay? So you can look at the method and see the procedures and how we did it. Are you done? Oh? Okay, that's good. Okay, let's look at this one again. We have 6x plus 5 is equal to 21 plus 2x. Wow. Another one again. So to solve 6x plus 5 equal to 21 plus 2x, do you know what we'll do? All you need to do is just to have 6x plus 5. Okay, 6x, you like cross inequality, is equal to, you can now say 21 plus 2x minus 5. Okay? Good. So you have it as 6x is equals to 21 minus 5 is what? What's the value for 21 minus 5? What is the value for 21 minus 5? What's the value for 21 minus 5? What is the value for 21 minus 5? What is the value for 21 minus 5, please? You said what? What do you say? 21 minus 5 is 16. Yeah. Then plus 2x. So we want to get rid of this 2x to cross the equality. What do we say? We subtract, right? So we have 6x minus 2x is equals to 16. 6x minus 2x is what? What is 6x minus 2x? What is 6x minus 2x? It becomes 6x minus 2x is